Same location, 10 drones, huge difference. See how the most popular sub 250-gram drones perform. Tested under the same conditions. Lightweight, travel-friendly, and no drone license required in most countries. The advantage of a small drone is huge for creators, professionals, and hobbyists alike. With compact, lightweight drones getting better and better in terms of camera performance, there's often no need for a large, high-end drone that comes with heavy regulations. Today's sub 250-gram drones can capture stunning footage while keeping things simple, flexible, and travel-friendly. Tired of flashy promises? We show you what the cameras actually deliver. No BS, just side-by-side footage. All comparison footage was captured in various lighting conditions, including daylight, shade, and low light, to give you a realistic view of each drone's camera performance. We've also included zoomed-in views at 200%, 400%, and even 600%, so you can clearly spot the differences in detail, sharpness, and image quality. But which one captures the best footage? Compare now